Built in 2020, this wildly popular Amelia open floor plan has a brand new, days-old, saltwater, gas heater pool with SBA. New fencing, new extended screened patio and amp, new backyard landscaping, also just days old. No expense spared in this stunning home. Beautiful entryway, gorgeous kitchen west/quartz countertops, white cabinetry, huge island, upgraded gas stove, slow close drawers. Kitchen opens up into cafe area and amp, spacious living area. Loads of natural lighting and amp, triple sliders to patio area. Spacious Master Suite west/huge walk-in closet, double vanities, and amp, super-sized shower with floor-to-ceiling tile. Fourth bedroom has private bath, perfect for guests. The list goes on. Custom lighting, wood-looking tile floors, insulated garage door, 7 gutters. This could be your forever home.